And here is the 29th Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition. And our pattern design attracted so many customers. We also have the other items here. You can see color boxes for the panel light and a bulb and also the holder. Yeah, so many OEM design we can make for you. And you can also choose the color back. Besides this color, you can choose the other color that you like. Yes, and so welcome to Kentas. Tell me your ideas about the OEM design. So we also offer item solution and offer OEM service for you. Welcome to Kentas.